Understanding acidic soil profiles. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches both the world of gardening and environmental science: acidic soil profiles. If you're curious about what makes certain soils acidic, and how this affects plant growth, you're in the right place. This concept is not just crucial for gardeners but also for anyone interested in the environment. So, let's explore the meaning and importance of acidic soil profiles together. Acidic soil refers to soil that has a pH level below 7.0. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline, basic, something is, on a scale from 0 to 14. Lower numbers are more acidic, higher numbers are more alkaline, and 7 is neutral. In acidic soils, the availability of essential nutrients can be limited, and certain toxic metals might become more soluble, which can affect plant growth adversely. An acidic soil profile describes the various layers, horizons, of soil and how their characteristics, such as pH levels, organic matter content, and mineral composition, contribute to the overall acidity of the soil. These profiles can tell us a lot about the soil's health and how it will support different types of plant life. Understanding an acidic soil profile is crucial for managing soil health and ensuring successful plant growth. Several factors can contribute to the development of an acidic soil profile, including rainfall. High rainfall can leach away basic minerals, calcium, magnesium, etc., leaving the soil more acidic. Vegetation type. Certain plants, like conifers, can increase soil acidity through the organic materials they drop on the soil surface. Human activities. The use of certain fertilizers and pollutants can also increase soil acidity. While some plants thrive in acidic soils, others might struggle. Acidic soils can limit the availability of nutrients like phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium and increase the solubility of toxic metals, which can harm plant growth. Gardeners and farmers must adjust the soil pH or choose plants that naturally thrive in acidic conditions to ensure healthy plant growth. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of acidic soil profiles and their importance in gardening and environmental science. Whether you're a budding gardener or just someone interested in the science behind soil, understanding the impact of soil pH can make a huge difference. Thanks for watching, and may your gardening efforts flourish in any soil conditions. Remember, the earth beneath our feet is alive with complexities and wonders waiting to be explored. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.